So good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about the DIF algorithm. In the last class we discussed about the DIT algorithm and we have done some problem based on DIT algorithm in the last class. Today we'll do the 4-point DFT using DIF and 4-point IDFT using DIF algorithm. So there is a basic difference between DIT and DIF algorithm. DIT is the decimation in time and DIF is the decimation in frequency algorithm. So in this output sequence is divided into smaller and smaller subsequences. The algorithm is more efficient to calculate the discrete Fourier transform and inverse discrete Fourier transform. So here we will do the DFT and IDFT using DIF algorithm. So what are the benefits by using DIF algorithm instead of directly solving DFT and IDFT? If we will do using DIF algorithm, then number of calculation required is less compared to DFT and IDFT. So now we'll consider one problem. So x of n is given 10001 using DIF algorithm. So here number of capital N value is directly not given. If number of capital N value is directly not given, then number of input sequence will calculate. So here input sequence points are 4. So n equal to 4, that is number of points. If capital N value is 8 is given, means find the DFT of a sequence x of n using DIF algorithm considering n equal to 8. So we should add 4 points in x of n. Okay. So number of point. Next, common step for all n equal to 4 point DIF FFT. So step 1, the butterfly operation is given by a plus b is the input. So first answer is a plus b and second one is a minus b omega n to the power k. So here a and b are the inputs and omega and k is related to the twiddle factor. So output of a plus b with that omega n to the power k twiddle factor, first output is a plus b and second one is a minus b whole multiplied with the twiddle factor. So twiddle factor is associated with the butterflies are n equal to 4, omega 4 to the power 0 is 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. So next step is input and output order. So earlier case we have seen input is bit reversal and output is natural order. Here output is bit reversal order and input is natural order. So output indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. If binary index 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If we will see the bit reversal means 0 will come that side means 0, 0. Then 1 will come that side 1, 0. 1, 0 will become 0, 1 and 1, 1 become 1, 1. So bit reversal index is 0, 2, 1 and 3. And number of stages is equal to 2 and number of butterflies per stage is n by 2, that is 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now input is given x of n is 1, 0, 0, 1. So x of 0 is 1. Similarly x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3 is 0, 0, 1. So first we will see in this stage 1 2 butterflies will be assisted and those are the input are in natural order. So first butterfly that is mentioned in black color, the input is associated with first butterfly is 1 and 0. So what are the twiddle factor associated with first butterfly, that is omega 4 to the power 0, 1. So first point, the output of first butterfly, first output, that is directly addition of first, that 2 point, 1 plus 0 means 1. So here we have seen a plus b is 1 plus 0, 1, simple. Same. Now come to the second output. Here output is a minus b into omega n to the power k. Here omega n to the power k is the twiddle factor means omega 4 to the power 0, the value is 1. So we will get 1 minus 0 into 1 equal to 1. Now coming to the next butterfly. The next butterfly important thing is the twiddle factor associated with next butterfly is omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So those things are common for each and every case for DIF algorithm of stage 1. Now coming to the second butterfly, the inputs are a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. So addition, simple addition, first stage 1 plus 0, that is 1. Now coming to the second point, a minus b into omega n to the power k. So here a is 0, b is 1 and omega n to the power k is minus j. So we will get plus j. So our first stage 1 is complete, which is associated with two butterflies. Now coming to the second stage. So output of the second stage is the input of the first stage. So output of the stage 1 is 1, 1, 1 j. So stage 2 is also associated with 2 butterfly, but here first point is connected with the second point, or first input with second input and third input with fourth input. So stage 2, first butterfly, we have seen the input is 1 and 1, so output will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. And stage 2, second one is simple, 1 minus 1 into omega 4 to the power 0, that is 1, so answer is 0 only. Similarly, for this butterfly, the twiddle factor associated with 1 plus j and 1 minus j, twiddle factor associated with same 1. So in stage 2, the twiddle factor both values are same, but in stage 1, twiddle factor values are different. So that is the important thing you note down. If the value is 1, omega 4 to the power 0 is 1, then only simple addition and subtraction. 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus j and 1 minus j. So output is in, already we discussed output in bit reversal order. So output values are x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. So the final output is x of k equal to 2, 1 plus j, 0, 1 minus j. How? X of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So that is the final result of our input x of n. The DFT is 2, 1 plus j, 0, 1 minus j using the simple calculation. Now we will consider another DFT sequence x of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 using DIF algorithm. So here also we are considering capital L equal to 4 because 4 input points are there. So the common step for all n equal to 4 points DIF FFT, the step 1 is butterfly operation. So butterfly operation is same for each and every case. So a plus b, another one is a minus b into omega n to the power k. So here a, b and are the input and omega n to the power k is the twiddle factor. Now the twiddle factor associated with butterflies are n equal to 4 equal to omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. Now output is same in bit reversal order and input is in natural order. The number of stages is m equal to log n base 2 is log 4 base 2, that is 2, and number of butterfly per stage is n by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Now our input is x of n 0, 1, 2, 3, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So stage 1 associated with two butterfly, one is black, another one is brown, and the twiddle factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1, another one is omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. Now inputs are x of 0 is 0, x of 1 is 1, x of 2 is 2 and x of 3 is 3, and input are in natural order. Now first stage, first butterfly, the things are 2 plus 0 plus 2, that is 2, and another one is 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, because twiddle factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. So simple addition and subtraction. Similar case for second butterfly, the twiddle factor associated with minus j. So we will do the calculation will be first butterfly, second butterfly first output, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4, and second output is 1 minus 3 into minus j. So minus 2 into minus j, we will get 2j. So that is the stage 1. So here twiddle factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0 and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. Now coming to the stage 2. So stage 2 we have seen. So two butterfly will be associated with stage 2 and both butterfly the twiddle factors values are same. So omega 4 to the power 0 is 1. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6 and 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Similarly, minus 2 plus 2j and minus 2 minus 2j. So those are the output in stage 2. So output is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Output is in bit reversal order. So final output is 6, minus 2 plus j2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2j. So those are the final output of the x of n 1, 0, 0, 1. Now example for homework. So you should find out the DFT of the sequence x of n cos n pi by 2. But the problem is here directly the sequence is not given. So first we should find out the value of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So how we can find out? Just directly put the value of x of 0. We will get cos 0 pi by 2 means cos 0, that is 1. X of 1 is cos pi by 2, that is 0. X of 2 is cos 2 pi by 2, that is minus 1. And x of 3 is cos 3 pi by 2, the value is 0. So the input sequence is 1, 0, minus 1, 0. After finding out the input sequence, we will find out the DFT using the normal problem. Now come to the find the DFT of the sequence x of n equal to 3n plus 2 considering 4-point DFT. So input sequence is x of n is 2, 5, 8 and 11. Just x of 0 is 2, x of 1 is 3 plus 2, 5, x of 2 is 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 8, x of 3 is 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 11. Now find out the IDFT of a sequence x of n 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j using DIF algorithm. So IDFT is the inverse discrete Fourier transform. So now we are using those things. You are using DIF algorithm. So first here also number of points are 4, 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. So common step for all n equal to 4 point DIF FFT or IDFT. So the butterfly operation is a plus b and a minus b omega n to the power k, where a and b are the inputs and omega n to the power k is the Tweedale factor. Now the Tweedale factor associated with butterfly are n equal to 4 is omega 4 to the power 0 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. Now output is bit reversal order same, but output value will be 4 x inverse n and input is natural order, that is x of k. So input and output both are in complex conjugate form. So that is the difference. So two difference, one is 4x to the power n in the output side and output and input both are in complex conjugate form. Now see number of stages. Number of stages is related to 2 and number of butterfly per stage is 2. So now input is given 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. So stage 1, 2 butterfly will be associated. One is black color, another one is brown color. So input is x of 0 is 10 minus 2 minus 2j, x of 2 equal to minus 2 and x of 3 is minus 2 plus 2j. So input is in bit reversal order with complex, input is in natural order with complex conjugate form. Now coming to first butterfly, the first butterfly Tweedale factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0, that is 1. And second butterfly Tweedale factor associated with omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So the input is 10 and minus 2. So simple addition, 10 minus 2, that is 8 and 10 minus minus 2, that is 12. So input is here, input is 8 and input is 10 and minus 2. So and butterfly associated with omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. So simple addition and subtraction. Now coming to next butterfly. So minus 2 minus 2j and minus 2 plus 2j and omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So first answer is minus 4. That is simple addition, a plus b. If we will do the addition, then minus 2j and plus 2j will be get cancelled and we will get the value is 4. Now coming to the next butterfly. The value is minus 4 a minus b omega n to the power k minus 2 minus 2j minus 2 plus 2j into minus j. Here because Tweedale factor value is minus j, so it will be multiplied with there. First case there is no Tweedale factor, so we are not multiplied anything. But second we will add Tweedale factor in the calculation, so we will get the answer is minus 4. So that is the stage 1. So the output of the first stage is the input of the second stage. So the second stage, the butterfly will be associated with two butterfly will be associated. One is, so first butterfly input is 8 and minus 4. So simple addition and subtraction, because omega 4 to the power 0 value is 1. So we will get 4 and 12. Second butterfly, the input is 12 and minus 4. We will get output 8 and 16. 12 minus 4, 8, 12 minus 4, that is 16. And both butterfly, the Tweedale factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0. So all those things are belong to stage 2. So the output of the stage 2 is 4x to the x conjugate 0, 4x conjugate 2, 4x conjugate 1 and 4x conjugate 3. So output is in bit reversal order. So output is complex conjugate, but here all the values are real. So we no need to change the values in complex conjugate because there is no complex form. All values are real. So the output is 4, 8, 12 and 16 divided by 4. So because here 4 value is there and our DFT problem is 4 point sequence. So we should divide it 4. So answer is 1. That's a complete problem of IDFT DIF algorithm. Now we will see the example for homework. Find the IDFT of the sequence x of k 1 plus 2j 1 minus j 2 minus j and 2 plus 2j, and the IDFT of the sequence 1 plus 2j, 4 and 3 minus 3. So first you should convert it in natural order and complex conjugate form, then solve the problem. Output will come in 4 into x inverse conjugate n, and that divide the value of 4 and we will get the output. So this is the whole things regarding DAF algorithm. Thank you for watching.